On hot, humid days, Frigidaire's 12,000 BTU window-mounted air conditioner quickly cools a room up to 550 square feet. Ready Select electronic controls allow you to set the comfort level to your preference, while a convenient temperature readout displays the set temperature. A full-function remote control allows you to precisely control the temperature and fan speed from across the room. The multi-speed fan features 3 different speeds for more cooling flexibility, and the 6-way comfort control design allows you to easily direct the air where you want it. The washable filter with front, tilt-out access captures dust from the air to keep your air conditioner working efficiently. Plus, low-power startup conserves energy and saves you money. Year after year, Frigidaire is the brand you can trust to keep you cool and comfortable. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 12,000 BTU compact air conditioner for window-mounted installation uses standard 115 volts electrical outlet. Number 2. Quickly cools a room up to 550 square feet with dehumidification up to 3.8 pints per hour. Number 3. Low power startup conserves energy and saves you money. Number 4. Ready Select electronic controls allow you to easily select options with the touch of a button. Number 5. Washable mesh filter with tilt-out filter access and check filter alert cleans the air, removing dust and other airborne particles. Number 6. Dimensions. Cabinet depth, with front, 21-1/2, width, 21-11/32, height, 15-3/4, cabinet height, 15-3/4, depth, 21-1/2. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.